Angie for Love here. So in this short video tutorial, I want to show you how you can turn your images into a video. Yes, how to make them move. So you go to this app, Kling AI. Okay, so I'll click on it now. Right, good. So once I'm here, I'm just gonna go ahead and do what I want to do. But before you come here, normally you know how all this apps work. After you must have downloaded it from Play Store or your App Store, you have to sign with them using your Gmail, your email address, right? Good. So after that is done, all you have to do now is just come to the app Kling AI, and then you go to videos. Sorry, not videos, video generation. Yes, then you click on video generation. Okay, so here you see they say upload only JPEG or PNG, whatever. You just click on it, then select from camera roll, take a photo. I have to select from camera roll, and so you see this picture here. This is the video that you saw, the picture that I turned into a video that you saw already. So I'm just going to pick another one, okay, to make it more practical. So I'm going to pick another one now. And okay, let me pick this one. Then you click on done. After that, you now click on the picture. It's loading. Good, it has been uploaded. Then you see here they say prompt, describe the scene and the action. For example, a beautiful lady in an oil painting with blah blah blah. So you must focus on the picture that you have uploaded, right? So now my description now will be that I want the two images. This is an AI image of me that I generated from Google Nano Banana. As you can see, 3 images are there, the 2 are by the side. So I'm going to say, let the 2 ladies standing pour water into the cup on the table in front of the lady sitting down. Simple. Then I click done. Let the 2 ladies standing okay, let the 2 ladies standing behind, let me be more specific. Let the 2 ladies standing behind pour water into the cup on the table in front of the lady sitting down. Good. Then you now click on generate. So it's loading. As you can see, they said upgrade now, that if you want a fast, you want it to upload faster. You know, all these apps, most of them, they have you know, all these, their paid versions, premium versions, and all of them. But you can, you know, use the free versions. I mean, sorry, the free things that they give you, the free features, you understand? So they used to give credits, so when your credit expires, that's it. Then if you now want to continue using them, you have to subscribe, I think so. Yeah, so it's loading, so just hold on a bit. Wow, so beautiful. Can you see that? Come on, see, AI is here to stay, right? Okay, so after that, all you have to do now is you click on the download button here. You download it. It says download MP4 without sound. If you download without sound, the sound of the water pouring you'll not hear it. So it's better you just click on download MP4 so that sound of the water will be heard. Downloading. Fun. Yeah, so when you go to your gallery, you're going to find it there. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Follow me for more. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is Angie for Love. Yeah, and I'll see you in my next video. It's Angie for Love here. Let me show you quickly how you can create this beautiful image that you can see here. So I've already created this. Look at the prompt that I used. Yeah, this is the prompt that I used, and this is the picture that I used. So I'm going to copy this again. Okay, copy text and do it again and see if I'll get this same image or maybe another, you know, variation of it. So let's go. So all you have to do is go to your Google Gemini, right? You must have, what's it called? What's the word? What is the word? You must have registered with them, right? Like signed up with them. That's the word, signed up with them. So you just go here You paste it, then you come to this plus sign here, go to, and then you pick the picture. Okay, no, this is the picture I want to use. So then you click on add, right? So after doing that, you now click on submit. So let's wait and see. Going, generating image. Just a second, just a sec. Okay, there you go. Oh my god, can you see that? This is another one, right? So after that, you just click on save, and there you have it. I hope you enjoy this. Follow me for more. It's Angie for Love here. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends or invite people to follow your Facebook page right from your profile using your personal profile. So as you can see, I'm in my personal profile, Angela Olofwa. So all you have to do now is click on the menu button below where my profile picture is. Click on it, and then when I click on it, I'll then come here, okay, on the search bar, and then I'll click on, just type my page, right? Grow with Angie for Love. I know it's there already, but I just want to, take you through all the process, and then I'll click on it. Good. After clicking on it, I'll go ahead again and click on it. Then you see these 3 dots by the side here. You click on the 3 dots, and then you click on invite friends. When you click on invite friends, you will see your friends will pop up, right? Your friends list will pop up. Then you now, okay, still loading. Then you now click on send invites. Sorry, you can now click on select all of them. Supposing you want to, select the friends that you want, you can just start clicking on the box here, right? But if you don't want to select the friends, you can just click on select all. Then you see the button, the send invite button below. Then you just click on send invites, and that's it. I hope you got value from this video. Share it and follow for more tutorial like this. Cheers.
You are welcome to Angie for Love Integrated Enterprise. We have helped over 60 plus business owners and entrepreneurs in Nigeria, and I ask for a register and secure their business names. Company Ltd and NGO with the Corporate Affairs Commission CAC. We have helped them to restore their confidence as well as help them to start building and running their businesses smoothly. You are next. WhatsApp us on 07011 to 1913 for now, or use the link in our bio for faster reach.